Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. This video I'll show how to add on text on image. So guys, let's start today's video. So now I'm click MS Word 2016 and open blank page and click full scan, and then this is the blank page and I am add a picture. So click insert and click picture. So now open this file. So I'm just click download folder and select this image. So I'm just add on this photo on text. So now click wrap text and click behind text. Okay, now double click on image and typing love story. So guys, now text in left side and just I am zoom font style and click middle. Okay, now okay, you can save easily. So guys, keep watching this video and like this video. Goodbye.